Welcome to the Multi Sites YouTube channel. If you've got an events management company, then keep your eyes peeled in this video today because I'm going to be showing you how to use our platform to build a website for your business. Now, if you just randomly stumbled across this video today, you haven't heard of multi-sites yet. Multi-sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own websites in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable, and it's going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video and give it a go. Once you've joined the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with different side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to quickly head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, events management company. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great, let's tell multi-sites a few basic details about our events company so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my region. It doesn't matter where your events management company is located in the world, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service and click on continue. Let multi-sites work its magic and create a simple website for me. Awesome, look at that. It's literally generated a simple website for my events management company in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look together. Now, the beauty of multi-sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, and we pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality, as you can see, and they're completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some absolutely stunning images of all the events you've planned and you want to showcase them on your website, maybe make one or two amendments to that content that was pre-written. You can do that. It's super simple. So today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be working my way through each section from the top to the bottom, showing you just how simple it is to use the multi-site website. You don't need to know coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional either. So let's get cracking. I'm quickly going to make my way to the top and click on update section, the first section over here. I want to go ahead and put in my email address and make sure this box is ticked to display my email address on our website. Let's go ahead and put in our company phone number. Sorry about that. And that is click to call, by the way. I'm now going to go ahead and put in my address if I have a physical location. That is, if you're mobile, that's completely okay. You can leave off the address section. Let's go ahead and put in our postal code and click on save. Our address has been displayed on our website now. When our customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to our physical location. Awesome. Let's go ahead and click on save and head over to update social links. Now, over here, we can put in the various social media platforms that our events management company is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as the bottom of our multi-site website once we've put in the links over there. Let's move along. I'm now going to head over to update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet, you're in the startup process of your business. Multi Sites will literally just display your business name and it still looks really professional. However, I do have a logo, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to upload it. If you don't have a huge budget for a graphic designer, I do recommend you check out canva.com. Logo has been uploaded. I'm going to go ahead and click on this little pencil over here and slightly crop my image so it fits a little bit better in that section at the top. You can as well add frames, you can decorate it, you can add filters, zoom in, flip it, etc. Let's go ahead and re-upload that as I've just cropped it. Awesome, upload complete. Let's go ahead and click on save. We can make it bigger and smaller, but I think the sizing is absolutely perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it exactly the way it is. Now with multi-sites as well, we pre-selected all the colors used throughout your website for you. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your events management company. Perhaps the color doesn't quite go with your branding, your signage, all the advertisements you do. You don't need to know color coding to change it. All you need to do is click on this little paint bucket over here and go through the various color palettes available. However, I'm not going to change this color because I absolutely love it and it goes well with my branding. So I'm going to go ahead and just save and leave it exactly the way it is. I don't want to change the color right now, but go through the various color palettes available over there. Let's move on to the next section and click on update image. Now, if you've got your own images of the awesome events you have planned, go ahead and browse your device and upload it. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, and they're all completely royalty free. No fees involved either. Let's go ahead and select this one. That looks fantastic. Let's save our image selection. That looks fantastic. Let's head over to update content. Now over here we can change the title, subtitle, which is this content over here, to suit our business needs. Button can link to various places. Go ahead and click on choose link. You can link to another website if need be, an action or a PDF file, upload one. Perhaps you have a catalog of the different services you offer, your current promotions or deals you're offering. Over here, again, pre-written content button can link to various places. Click on update section and make the necessary changes. We've now made our way into the about us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your business came to be, how you got into the events industry. Is it perhaps a family run business? Who is your team running the show, planning all the amazing events? Go ahead and pop all the details over here. Your customers would absolutely love to hear your story. We've now made our way into the services section over here. You can put a little bit more details, the different services or the different events you plan. Do you plan and manage weddings, music festivals, sporting events, award shows, online events, perhaps fundraising events? Go ahead and put all the various events you can help your customers with over here. Over here, we made our way into the last section, that lead form I've just mentioned to you. Over here, you can put a little bit more details. Your customers can put their details, their name, their email address, phone number, message, click on send, and you will get notified via email that you have a lead via this form. You'll also find all your leads over in the site dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a second. Now, if you have a custom domain, click on connect your domain and say I already have a domain and go through the various steps in linking it. Now, if you're struggling, there is a blog post over on our website, www.martysites.com, with a step-by-step guide on linking your custom domain. You'll also find fantastic tips and advice for marketing your small business online. So do check it out. Lots of valuable tips here in our blog. If you don't have a domain yet, click I want a new domain, because you can purchase your domain via the MultiSite platform. Over here in the site dashboard, this is where you can find the leads via that form I've just shown you. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your events management company. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on our platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback. Don't forget, the service is only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. Great thing about the multi-site free trials, you don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services these days. So click on the link below this video and give it a go. You've got nothing to lose.